In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an amazing LinkedIn profile as a student. So the first thing you want to do is obviously go ahead into your LinkedIn account and sign in, and then go up to the top, go to me and go to view profile. Now, I'm going to teach you how to make your profile amazing, whether you've just started studying or you're finished and you're looking for a job. I'm going to teach you the best practices. So the first thing we need to do is get a profile picture. Now, in our profile picture, we want to make sure that it's a professional looking picture where we're standing against a plain wall. Make sure that your face is very clear. And we want to also have no accessories on us like hats and sunglasses. We want to be wearing some kind of professional outfit as well to show that we are professional and to make our profile more appealing. The next thing that someone's going to see when they come into your profile is your headline. So the headline is one of the most important parts because it summarizes what you do, and people are most likely to read that out of anything on your profile. So make sure you're specific. Instead of just saying like, I am a student, what you could change it to is, I am a student in whatever industry you are, and then put some of your goals and experience. So trying to passionate about changing the make sure you put the spelling correct. So I am a student in X. So I'm a student in marketing, comma, passionate about changing the way brands perceive digital advertising. I love learning and testing out new methods of advertising to help brands grow. Make it specific in there and make it like an elevator pitch. So if you were in an elevator with the CEO of the company you want to work for, what would you say to them? You wouldn't just say I'm a student. You would try and give them something a bit specific. So if it's Elon Musk and it's SpaceX, then you would say something specific towards SpaceX and how you want to help make it more sustainable, or whatever the goal is. Basically put some goals on there, some experience, keep it simple. The next step is the experience tab, and this is here. We want to put any experience that we've had in here, so list all of the jobs we've had, even if it's part-time, put what you've learned in there. You can add them all in here. Even put like any volunteering you've done, anything like that you've done which you've gained some valuable experience which your employer might look at and find interesting and want to know more about. Now, the next section we should definitely fill in is the featured section here. So basically the featured section is like this is going to be at the top of your page. So this is what everyone's going to see after your headline. You can either do a post, an article, a link, or media. So you can add a resume there if you wanted to. But this is something that should take a lot of time to get right. So if you've done some kind of fundraiser for a charity, you'd want to put some details here about it. But there's a lot of, you have to think about what is your best feature that you have currently, which the employer might like. So you'd want to put that in there like that. Now, the last one is the recommended section. So recommended is like, have you been recommended by any, or have you got any recommendations from any previous workplaces for yourself? Now, if you don't, it doesn't matter. But if you do, it's definitely a good one to put there because it helps add some sort of social proof to your, and to back up your claims. But that's how I would go about making my LinkedIn profile good as a student. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below this video helped. Thank you for watching.